Okay, today we will see about the composite function, but first we see what is composite function. Suppose I am taking one example, sin x into cos x. These are two different functions. One is sin, one is cos, or sin x into log x. So this is trigonometry function and this is logarithmic function. But if we see like this, sin log x. So again this is a trigonometry and this is a logarithmic. But these are called composite function. This is called composite function. Why it is called composite? If you see, we cannot separate sin from log. We cannot write like this, sin into log x. We cannot write like this. So because of this function, they are depends on each other. So that function is called composite function. Now today we will see how to find derivative of composite function. You had already done trigonometric derivative of function in the 11th standard. That we know that some derivatives are like this. D by dx of sin x is cos x. But if I ask what is d by dx of sin log x? So for that we should to know about the composite. Just now I explained composite means functions are depends on each other. So how we take derivative of this? We know derivative of sin x is cos x. Now we have to find out derivative of sin of log x. So suppose d by dx of sin of f of x. What is the derivative of sin x? It is cos x. That means if it is x, cos will come with x. Similarly, if it is sin is coming with f of x, so what is this derivative? Sin derivative is what? Cos. So sin derivative is what? Cos. If it is x, here it is cos x. But if it is f of x, here we will write cos f of x. This is the derivative of only sin. Then we have to take derivative of this f of x. So this is d by dx of f of x. This is the way we have to find derivative of composite function. Just now I have taken this example, sin of log x. So now we have to calculate t by dx of sin of log x. Now compare this with this function. How we get it? First it is sin. We know derivative of sin is cos. So here it is sin.